Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to be showing you how I go about re-edging my lawn every spring. As you can see here, it gets quite messy. You see it all there, that line there, with the weeds, and right down here. I've always sort of digging this out, you see there, and then just go around, digging it out, then go around digging it out all the way and straightening it up all the way around and then back again. This gives you a nice straight edge to sort with in the spring, so when I cut it after this it's going to be a lot tidier, a lot easier to do. That's the main thing. So I've been sharpening this with my spade. You can get an edging tool, call it half moon, which is just like that, and then flatten the handle. But if you've got one of these, it's nearly in a line, and all you need to do with this is basically set up here is basically straight down next to the edge and move your soil onto the top. Once I've moved the soil to the top, I go through it to make sure there's no weeds in it, and then I just dig it in. Because I've got raised beds here. They're not raised a great deal, but they are probably 12, 14 inches high at the top. As you can see there, from the bottom there. So every year you get some that'll come back down. So all I do is dig them out like that, so it stops falling. Like that, and then again. Yeah, nearly done. Put that soil there. Right, that's that done. As you can see, nicely struck nicely out. Nice sharp spade. And then all we need to do then is start using the shears. If I can get this to stand properly. Excuse me a little minute. Better. This is what I'm using. Just sharpen these. So really nice and sharp, nicely oiled. Once they're sharpened, I need to do that here. Just tidy up there. Here to go off. If you want them perfect, you can use a half moon edging tool, but I find that this really does do a good job. Do this here. Yeah, this is once we had a few more weeks of nice warm weather, I thought to give my lawn its first feed of the year. So that's that done. As you can see there, nice edge on that. And then I should just go up here then, finish this off. Get that done there. Yeah, you want to have it flat to the edge of the lawn. It's really self-guiding. not hard to do. But the most important thing is always keep your edging tools razor sharp. It makes it so much easier. And then even if you've got quite thick grass, like I've got here, you'll stake through it like a knife through butter. A little bit more to do. And there we go, that's that done. Show you now. A spot on that, if you can see that there. That'll do me definitely. See that? I've just got the rest of the lawn to do now. But yeah, that's how you use your edging tools and how you edge your lawn. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like the video, please subscribe. Remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching. Bye.